What new attacks have been reported in the Russia-Ukraine war this week? The latest developments reveal surprising shifts in tactics and targets that could change the course of the conflict. This week, Ukraine intensified its use of precision drone strikes, focusing on Russian supply routes and ammunition depots. These attacks have significantly slowed down Russian advances by cutting off essential resources. Unlike previous large-scale artillery barrages, drones allow for surgical strikes with minimal collateral damage, showcasing how technology is reshaping modern warfare. Russia responded with a series of long-range missile attacks aimed at Ukraine's energy grid this week. These strikes caused widespread blackouts and hampered civilian life, signaling a deliberate attempt to weaken morale and infrastructure. The use of advanced missile systems highlights Russia's focus on strategic targets beyond the front lines. The battle for control over key urban centers has escalated. Both Ukrainian and Russian forces are employing new tactics, including underground warfare and close-quarters combat. These intense engagements have resulted in higher casualties and destruction, but also highlight the determination of both sides to control strategic cities. The new attacks reported this week illustrate a war that is evolving rapidly, with both sides leveraging technology and strategy in unexpected ways. Understanding these shifts helps you grasp the true scale and impact of the conflict. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.